Are you working out at home but not seeing the results you expected? Maybe you're feeling stuck, unmotivated, or even injured? Well, you're not alone. Most people make the same common mistakes when exercising at home, and those mistakes can slow your progress or even set you back completely. But here's the good news. Today I'm going to break down the top 5 biggest mistakes in home workouts and show you exactly how to fix them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to train smarter, safer, and more effectively, so you can actually see results without wasting your time or energy. So grab your water bottle, pay attention, and let's dive right in. Mistake 1. Skipping warm-up and cool-down? The first big mistake is skipping warm-up and cool-down. When you're at home, it's tempting to jump straight into the workout, maybe, because you're short on time or just want to get it done. But skipping your warm-up is like driving a car at full speed without starting the engine first. A good warm-up increases blood flow, loosens up your muscles, and prepares your joints for movement. Without it, your body isn't ready, and that means higher risk of injury, stiffness, and less effective workouts. How to fix it? Spend at least 5 minutes warming up before you start. This can be as simple as jogging in place, jumping jacks, or dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. For cool down, give your body 3 to 5 minutes of light stretching to help your muscles recover, reduce soreness, and improve flexibility. Trust me, those extra minutes can make a huge difference in how you feel after every session. Stay tuned. Poor form and technique. Second mistake. Poor form and technique. This is the most common issue I see with home workouts. Without a trainer or mirror in front of you, it's easy to think you're doing an exercise correctly, when in reality, your form is way off. Bad form doesn't just make the exercise less effective, it can also lead to serious injuries over time. For example, arching your back during planks puts strain on your spine, or letting your knees collapse during squats can cause knee pain. Slow down. Don't rush through reps just to finish faster. Quality beats quantity. Record yourself. Use your phone to check your form and compare it with proper tutorials online. Start with body weight, master push-ups, squats, and planks before adding resistance like dumbbells or resistance bands. Mistake 3. No structure or plan. Mistake number 3. Working out with no structure or plan. Here's the thing. Doing random workouts you find online, or just following your mood every day, won't take you far. You might sweat, but if your routine isn't structured, you won't progress. And after a while, you'll wonder why your body isn't changing. Think of your workout plan like a roadmap. You don't know where you're going, you'll just go in circles. How to fix it? Set clear goals. Are you training to lose weight, build muscle, improve stamina, or just stay active? Your plan should match your goal. Use the principle of progression. That means gradually increasing intensity, more reps, more sets, or harder variations over time. Balance your routine. Make sure you're hitting all major muscle groups, upper body, lower body, and core, at least twice a week. Even at home, structure turns random activity into real training. Mistake for overtraining or undertraining. Mistake number 4 is a tricky one. Either overtraining or undertraining. When you work out at home, there's usually no coach to guide you. Some people push themselves too hard, thinking more is better, and they end up sore, burned out, or injured. On the other hand, some people do the bare minimum. A few push-ups here, a few squats there, but not enough to challenge the body and create progress. How to fix it? Find the sweet spot. Aim for 3 to 5 workouts per week, around 30 to 60 minutes each, depending on your fitness level. Listen to your body. Rest is just as important as exercise. Your muscles grow and recover when you sleep and rest, not while you're training. Use intensity wisely. If you're sweating, breathing hard, and feel challenged, you're on the right track. But if you're constantly in pain or drained, you're overdoing it. Remember, balance is the key. Consistency plus recovery equals results. Mistake 5. Ignoring nutrition and lifestyle. And finally, mistake number 5. Ignoring nutrition and lifestyle. Here's a hard truth. No matter how good your workouts are, if your diet and lifestyle don't support your training, you won't see real results. Many people assume exercise alone is enough, but in reality, what you eat, how you sleep, and how you manage stress are just as important as your workouts. How to fix it? Fuel your body. Eat balanced meals with protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats to support recovery and energy. Stay hydrated. Water plays a huge role in performance, recovery, and even fat loss. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Your body repairs and builds muscle while you rest. Be consistent. Think of fitness as a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Small daily habits add up over time. So remember, exercise is only one piece of the puzzle. Nutrition, rest, and overall lifestyle complete the picture. Recap of the 5 mistakes. Alright, let's quickly recap the top 5 home workout mistakes and their fixes. Skipping warm-up and cool-down. Always prepare your body before and after training. Poor form and technique. Focus on quality, not speed. Structure or plan. Train with purpose, not randomness. Overtraining or undertraining. Find your balance and listen to your body. Ignoring nutrition and lifestyle. Remember, fitness is 24/7, not just during your workouts. So if you've been struggling to see results from your home workouts, now you know why. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can completely change the way you train, helping you build strength. Stay injury-free and finally get the results you've been working for. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Focus on consistency, keep learning, and celebrate small wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and effective workout routines you can do right at home. Drop a comment below telling me which of these mistakes you've been guilty of and which fix you are you going to start using today. Thanks for watching, stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next workout video.